I am Nicole, Senior Editor for Engadget, and we're here talking to Rohit,
Yes.
who is the General Manager for Amazon Key, or as it's now known, Key by Amazon.
That's right, Nicole, yeah.
And why don't you explain a little bit about what Key by Amazon is?
Yeah, so Nicole, Key's vision is to deliver the magic of keyless life for everyone and open up freedom to do things you want to do, manage all the comings and goings.
Clearly, the genesis of the idea appears to be to give the delivery person access to your front porch or whatever to drop off the parcel to prevent porch piracy. I guess that was the original idea of Amazon Key, was it?
Well, it was actually really putting security, convenience, and trust back in the hands of customer for access.
Access.
For what they want to use it for. And obviously, deliver happens to be one of those use cases.
Top use cases.
Yeah, it's something that's core to our business, so we started there. But it's heartening to see that customers have been using Key by Amazon and the Key solution and services for what gives them delight, gives them pleasure, gives them peace of mind, which could be as simple as seeing your kids coming back from home, which is always a great use case for me. My teenage daughters, every afternoon I'm seeing them parking their bike in the garage and enter home, and that just basically makes my day. Yeah.
So it gives access to different family members
Correct.
as well.
Correct.
Okay.
Of course.
So obviously Key by Amazon, it had the regular door access, and then you had the car access.
That is right.
Like a while ago. And then at the show you announced the garage access.
Yes, we announced a bunch of different additional options which expand possibility for customer, but garage is one of them. Customers can remotely open and close their garage door by their Key app.
Yeah.
From anywhere. They don't have to be around.
Okay.
And eligible Prime members, if you have a compatible garage door opener, you can choose to receive packages directly inside your garage, right? So you just order as normal at Amazon once you have set up the system, and the driver will deliver just inside your garage door. But then you also have the ability to create dedicated access codes for your, could be your friends and family provider, could be your dog walker, could be your recurring code for your cleaner. So all of that is feasible. It also opens up other use cases. Let's say you have a rental home, for example. Don't want to cut keys for your tenants. Don't want to tell them about lockbox and how to get those keys out from lockbox are clearly not designed to help.
Right.
All you need to do is just remotely set these up and your tenant will be able to get it. Now, optionally, if you add a camera, which is Amazon Cloud Cam, it's optional.
Right.
Then you can watch who is coming in and out for access. And then you can take advantage of in-home deliveries as well. So we do need a camera for in-home delivery so that you can see what's going on.
How do you assuage perhaps the privacy-conscious consumer out there who's a little bit, scared about letting a random stranger in their home? How do you help calm their nerves a little bit?
True. So we take customers' privacy, customer trust very, very seriously. Okay. And we have put a variety of mechanisms in place, sophisticated, appropriate mechanism in place. So for example, every piece of technology is very secure here. The camera, the lock, and all of the communication between the lock and the camera and various components of the system are encrypted, right? So we make sure that everything is encrypted. And then in terms of access, obviously with the camera pointing the door, you always have the peace of mind. You can always see who is coming into the house, whether it's your daughter, your family member, your dog walker, or it is a delivery person dropping the package, right? And then purely just talking about the delivery per se, the delivery process that we have built, we are putting obviously our best expertise in logistics and secure clouds and secure applications and Amazon devices to test, and we build this process very, very securely. So for example, the drivers never have any access to the house. They don't have any access code for the lock. They just come with a package which is destined for the house, for you.
Right.
And once they scan the package, and once they're physically very close to the door, we check proximity, and we make sure that the right driver with the right package is at the door. The Amazon system will ask the camera to record, and then open the door. The driver will place the package, close the door, and they cannot go to the next stop unless the door is locked. Yeah, so we won't present them the next stop. Yeah, so the entire route
going into your home.
Correct, yes.
Another integration, of course, you're part of the Amazon family.
Yes.
Ring is Amazon, part of Amazon now.
Yeah.
And there is this integration with Ring as well.
Yeah, so think about a scenario where your dog walker comes up, chimes the doorbell, You see the feed. You say, oh, the right person is at the door. You just tap a button, and the door will open, and the person can get access. So now they have the beauty of welcoming the friends and family and the people they actually do want to welcome inside the home, to seamlessly get them inside their home and see them before they let them in. So that's always our integration with Ring, and it's available later in Q1.
Oh, okay, Q1.
Yeah.
That's very interesting. I think as part of that, we'll go on to the next announcement. Is key for business.
That's right.
And not just for the home anymore. I guess for businesses, for apartments too. Can you explain a bit more about that?
Yeah. So key for business, you can think of this as a service that integrates a smart fob seamlessly with existing access control system of a building. So if you're in an apartment complex, you might have a call box or you might have a buzzer system. With this, what happens is Amazon's building access controller will, in the back office, will seamlessly integrate with that system, and that ties in the building's access system with Amazon Delivery app.
Okay.
And with that, a property manager for an apartment complex or a building owner can give controlled and convenient access for delivery to delivery drivers automatically. So then what happens is, typical scenario like for home delivery, driver never have any access codes. They just come in with a package, and the driver has the right package destined for that building now, not just for that house, for that building, for a tenant in that building. Then they can actually request opening of that front door of the building, and they can go in and deliver the package to a lobby, or they can go to the mail room, or if the apartment policy allows that, they can go all the way up to the apartment.
How do you see this working with the rest of Amazon's ecosystem? You know, they have the Echo Show, they have all of these parts of the Alexa smart home experience.
Yeah.
Do you see this as part of an integration with the rest of it, and how do you see it all working together?
Yeah, no, so we do work with Alexa. Just talk about the integration piece. So we do work with Alexa. Alexa is part of some of these solutions, in the sense that if you have a key-capable lock, whether it's from Schlage or from Yale or from a Kwikset, and the Cloud Cam from Amazon, that's part of Key, they are integrated. So you can use Alexa command to say, Alexa, show me the door, and the camera will show you. Or you can get Alexa to show the front door to you in an Echo Show or an Echo Spot. Or you can say, lock my door.
Okay.
You can even say, unlock my door. There's an option to put a 4-digit PIN, so that you don't just voice unlock it. Again, customer have choices and control. So we have Alexa integration, and we'll continue to build more of that. But to your point, we think of this as Amazon Key by Amazon as a set of services that are their whole purpose is to bring convenience and comfort to our customers, and therefore they are part of the smart home. I mean, they're solving one of the many scenarios that you want to do in a smart home, right? So we are sort of tied with that overall ecosystem. The devices are tied with that ecosystem, but we think that these are use cases that our customer care about. And whether they have a smart home or not, if they have these services, they can benefit from them.
So it's called Key by Amazon. You have this new brand.
Yeah.
What's next for, obviously there's a rebrand for the reason.
Yeah.
There's going to be more to come. Can you give us a little idea of what to expect?
Well, again, I mean, you'll appreciate, won't want to talk about the roadmap. We'll absolutely be excited to share more as things come. But at the end of the day, I think I'll start with one thing. First thing is, we do believe it's still day one. Like many things at Amazon, we still believe it's day one for Key by Amazon, and for the kind of access services our customers desire, the kind of control they desire, the kind of convenience they desire. So you can totally expect us to do more around this space. And think about us as eliminating and removing more friction in some of these services. Things that customer can probably do today, we'll try to make them even more simpler, right? A good example is, today you have a dog walker, right? You can provide access, and we'll try to take some friction away from that and make it even more seamless by maybe integrating with partners directly, so that customer won't have to worry about scheduling access, for example.
Right.
So again, not to sort of try to predict the future. We'll be governed by what our customer tell us. We have lots of exciting ideas that we are working on, and you can expect us to share a lot of exciting news around Key by Amazon in the rest of 2019. Just the day one philosophy that we have here.
Oh man. Thank you so much for talking with us.
Yeah, thanks.
And
thanks for having me.
Be sure to check out Engadget.com for more.
Yeah, just visit amazon.com/key, or just check out the booth here. Yeah, thanks.
Great, thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, Nicole. Yeah, bye.
Right.